Ecoist, and welcome back to my channel. The title of this video is self-explanatory. I am going on a trip in a few days and I am packing for that. So I wanted to give you a little glimpse into how I try to pack for a trip low waist style. I'm gonna start saying low waist from now on because I feel like that's more realistic for me. I don't like not make trash. So you are gonna see obviously some stuff in here that is not super eco-friendly, but we're all about trying to do the best that we can. One of the first things I do that most people do is I make a packing list like this. And I'm known for like overpacking, especially when it comes to clothes. So I'm trying to be a little bit better about that. So when I come home, I don't have a bunch of stuff that I have to wash. So, which is one, more eco-friendly, and two, less work for me. I made like an itinerary of the outfits that I wanted to wear on each day. So this is an example of kind of what I like start off doing. So I have like, these are all done by day. And then I can kind of just like have like a really good overview of what I'm gonna bring. And then here is the shoes. Okay, toiletry edition. So this is some of the stuff that I'm bringing. It is about half and half eco-friendly, half and half plastic. Like I have some bamboo products, shampoo and conditioner bar, menstrual care. So the thing that I want to reiterate is, okay, like for example, so I'm bringing this lotion and sunscreen, and they're both like considered not eco-friendly because they're made out of plastic. Yes, when I throw them out, that's gonna suck, and then I'll try to find something that's a better option. But when you're traveling, the whole point of being eco-friendly is trying to not make trash. So I'm not gonna throw these out while I'm on my trip, you know, because I'm gonna be using it the entire time. So I think you have to also keep in mind that it's okay to bring things that are in plastic if you know that you're gonna bring them back home. Okay, so this is the food part of my video in my cute Trader Joe's bag. Okay, so here's a little bit of an overview. Also, these are like upcycled fruit, highly recommend. And then I use my like leftover Ipsy bags from my makeup subscription. I have like a cucumber in here. These silicone sandwich bags, I'm like obsessed with them. And then obviously, as you can see, I do have some stuff in packaging. Like for example, I get nauseous really easily, so I'm bringing like ginger candy and juice. And then I also just have peanut butter in like these packages. Most of my stuff is in low waste packaging. And at the end of the day, you really just have to do what's gonna work for you. But anything that you can find that you can use as like some sort of container, like I said, like these Ipsy bags, I use them for everything. So that's pretty much it for me. I just wanted to make kind of a really short video on the travel edition. I will be vlogging my entire trip, so I hope that I can post a lot of videos from that. And I guess until next time, bye guys.